Alright, on our way back to the blowholes.
No, not yet. We're gonna hit one beach over here, then we go.
Oh, we're gonna stop at another beach.
FOUI,
The Foy Beach. Oh, okay, I've never been to the Foy Beach, so that'd be nice. Go to the beach where my father-in-law must have swam when he was younger.
this is where they call. You're gonna make a right.
Right there.
This
Farewell from FOUI.
let's make a right here. There's Umutangata. There's Umutangata right here. Right here. Make a right here.
Used to ride your bike here?
Yeah.
Oh, see? Bring back some old youth memories when you were a kid, huh?
No, when they came back from the state.
Oh, okay. is FOUI, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, here's the opening. We're heading down to the beach. Giants going through this fucking mud?
It's dry.
Alright, let me see.
We get to the spot that we can stop there. Come in this sweep away, yeah? Most of this area is swept by people.
To all the Tukumisi right here. Laku Tukumisi. You're taking me to some of the craziest shit places with this rental car, man. I think this is a turnaround or what? Yeah, turn around right here. Foy Beach. Let's go take a walk. This phone holder keeps on slipping because there's no real grip on the dashboard. Yep. This is my wife's dad's beach, Foy Beach. They're having something over there. And they're collecting sand. come to the beach, collect your sand so you can mix your cement. It's better than getting that other gravel that you gotta sift through and do the extra work to get the gravel out of it. Looks like they're making tupumisi here. Oh yeah, let's see if we can get some of that live. That'll be cool to get them showing us how they do the tupumisi real quick. Yep, that's what they're doing, tupumisi. They probably prep it here and then sell it. All these guys are making tupumisi. Pretty crazy. Lotu brought me here, and that's what they're doing here at the Foy Beach. Do you mind if I record a little? Usabe gonna record? Wow, that's a lot of tupumisi. Oh yeah, they go out, collect it, and then so cool. Fresh from the ocean, fresh food. One of my wife's favorite, tupumisi, straight from FOUI.
Hello.
Malo lele.
Iyo.
Plaku tupumisi, eh?
Iyo.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of tupumisi there. My uncle brought me here because my wife is a Sekona.
Iyo.
So tahinelahi e kuliloa Sekona. But my uncle said, let's go to the FOUI beach. Yeah. A lot of tupumisi on this side of the island, huh? Fresh. Look by the buckets and buckets. Make good money too. It's $10 each one of those little containers. It's like $10, $15. But you know, you got to do the work. You got to come out and do the work. Holiday. Go check on Uncle. That's pretty cool. The tupumisi must be really thick on this side. It wasn't doing much on that side. Just think of a metal detector out here, what you would probably find. You might find gold out here. Old jewelry from pirates. little treasures like this. Well, I found me a knife. I got me a knife. Look, good hell. Pera pequeno tu comisi over there. Found me a pretty nice knife, and it's really sharp and relatively new. Not too rusty at all. Gotta watch your footing and watch your walking. You don't want to trip and fall on this coral rock here. Still will scrape you up. Well, say goodbye to Foy Beach and on to the next destination. That's a nice house way back there in the middle of the facing the beach and the ocean. I'm sure the whales come through when it's whale season. So yeah, beautiful place here.